Ladies and gentlemen, this is Claudel, your favorite Kompa dancer all around the world, the king of Kompa dance. Finally, the wait is over. I know it's been over 11 years you've been waiting for this, the moment to learn from the best. You are the best. So if you are the best, it's great to learn from the best. Finally, we have online Kompa dance class for you. Now, as you can see, we're about to launch our first tutorial so people all around the world can learn Kompa dance. The best skills, best techniques, even my own technique that I created in Kompa dance to make Kompa the worldwide dance today. So I'm super excited for you to learn from me, to enjoy yourself, because we all speak the same language, the language of dance. Through these tutorials, what's gonna happen? You're not gonna only learn Kompa dance technique, Kompa dance skills, but we'll also teach you some skills and techniques so you can enjoy yourself with other music, genre, like example Afrobeat, soca, dancehall, because our techniques are universal for all those type of dance, include waistline training, footwork, lady styling. I'm super excited for you. Purchase your class. As you can see, the flyer is right next to me. Get your class. Don't forget, for this first tutorial, when you purchase one class, you get two. If you're a new student, you purchase one class, you get two. On those tutorials, we're gonna teach you different things, different keywords, as far as self-confidence, boost your energy. If you're shy, we're gonna help you with that. We're gonna help you overcome your shyness. Other keywords we're gonna use to help you empower yourself, to help you boost your self-confidence, because without self-confidence, you cannot be a great dancer. Don't forget, dance is art. Dance is your passion. So if it's your passion, invest in yourself. For only $10, you can enjoy our tutorials anywhere around the world, in Africa, in Europe, in South America, North America, everywhere, Asia, everywhere, different races, different nationalities. Now, with our tutorials, you can enjoy yourself and learn from the best. Trust me, you're not gonna regret it. It was your boy Claudel. Don't forget, don't share your credential with anyone, because if you share your credential with someone, we can ban your account. You won't be able to watch more videos. Please don't screen record our classes, because this is a way for you to support our movement, to support what we are doing. We count on you. Please support Kompa movement, because we want to take this class, this movement to the next level. And also your contribution will help us feed the families in need all around the world, include Haiti, Africa, and other countries where people need help, and we start doing it already. We count on you. Thank you so much for watching this video. This is only for English people only, people who speak English. The French will come soon, Spanish will come soon, and Creole will come soon. But right now, this tutorial is only for English speakers. If you don't speak English, you don't understand English, please don't purchase this class. Thank you so much for watching this video. I love you all. It was your boy Claudel. Enjoy.